And we're back with another Instagram feature. Did you know that you can create that swipe up for a book now, for a video, and to any link without 10,000 subscribers? That's right, stick around and I'll tell you exactly how we're going to do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know this is the best channel for anything digital marketing, social media, and growing your online business. As you guys know, I have always been the first one to tell you about the latest Instagram trends, and I'm here to share something with you that I feel like a lot of people aren't talking about and that's super valuable for any business, okay? As you guys know, there's different profiles, and I talk all about it in this video right here. We have the personal Instagram profile, we have the creator Instagram profile, and then we have the business Instagram profile. So with either one, once you get to those 10,000 subscribers, you'll have the opportunity to post any story and create that swipe up effect. But like I mentioned, we're not chasing followers, we're actually chasing relationships with each and every person that interacts with us. So what can we do in order to share a link, share a video, share a product, share a service without having 10,000 subscribers? Well, grab your phones because I'm gonna tell you all about it. The first thing that we wanna do is make sure that we know what account we have. And think about what your goal is. For example, if my goal is to get people to book my coaching service, then I wanna make sure I have a business account on Instagram and I have that book option as my call to action. So for example, in this profile, I'm going to show you exactly how it looks. So as you can see, they have the booking option right when you land on their profile. That's one of their main goals. So that's the key button that we see. For other accounts, it can either be to go to their location, to go to a link, different things, okay? So it has to be something that's actually relatable to you. If you provide any type of service, maybe hair cutting, maybe a makeup service, then this booking option is 100% recommended. If not, then I wouldn't really play around with it, okay? Once they actually add that booking option, you can actually go back to your stories, create a story just as you would, and in that little linking option, what you would do is you would click it in order to go to your booking service, okay? So that's number one. Number two, what if you sell products online? Well, as you guys know, Facebook released the Facebook Shop new integration, which obviously also goes into Instagram. So you can automatically post your products into Instagram and you can automatically have that checkout option. This is the perfect solution if you're selling physical products. So the requirements for this is that you have to sell physical products, you have to already have your website. The checkout isn't done through your website, it's done through Instagram, but you need to have a website that's kind of like the host of this whole transaction, okay? So if you have Shopify, if you have WooCommerce, you'll connect that and you'll actually be able to have customers finish their checkout selection automatically through the phone. So once you have your catalog uploaded, you're going to also create a story, tag your product at the top by clicking that linking option, and you can have a swipe up feature to shop directly to either your online store or that product. This is something that is super important, and a lot of people that sell physical products aren't doing it and aren't taking advantage of this new option. So again, if you want to know all the information on Facebook Shops, make sure you check out that video because it really explains what you have to do in order to incorporate Facebook Shops into your Instagram and Facebook business profiles, okay? So now let's say you're a creator, you have a YouTube channel just like the one you're watching, and you want to create a swipe up either to a link or to a video. Well, the key and the secret to doing this is by uploading a video to IGTV. As you guys know, IGTV videos have to be more than 1 minute, okay? So record yourself for more than 1 minute, upload it to IGTV, and not in the title, but in the actual description of the video, you're going to place the link of where you want to send that traffic. For example, I would normally do it to a YouTube. video like this one that you're watching right now. Then I would go ahead and create a story on my phone, and I would go up to that linking option, select the IGTV video that I just uploaded, and then I'll make sure to add a call to action saying that anybody watching the story can just swipe up to reach that video. You want to make sure that you're making a lot of emphasis that the people have to actually click on the description in order for the link to open. So it's something that is not super intuitive, but with a couple of seconds of you explaining it, your audience will know exactly how to find you. I want to make sure that you guys are taking advantage of all the different opportunities that you have in order to create that swipe up effect without having those 10,000 followers. And of course, I know that you guys are all over Instagram and you're always looking for ways to actually learn more, to improve those accounts in order to gain more audience. So definitely go ahead and download the free Instagram roadmap at the bottom, because not only will it explain exactly how Instagram works, but it also gives you content ideas on what to be posting depending on what industry you're in. This is huge because I know it has happened to all of us that we just don't know what to post. Some days I go online and I'm like, okay, I have this photo, I kind of have an idea of what to post, but then nothing comes to my head, nothing comes to my mind. I just end up closing the application and saying, no, I'll do it tomorrow. What happens tomorrow? The same thing happens. So if you're like me and that has happened to you in the past, go ahead and download that roadmap, because it's going to give you tips and tools on what to be posting to make sure that you're always staying consistent, because that is the key to Instagram. We have to stay consistent in order for our audience to trust us and in order for us to have traction and get to our end goal on that platform. All right, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, which you should have, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave me a comment on anything related to Instagram, digital marketing, and your online business. I'm always hanging out around there. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.